Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah, with this gorgeous 1994 two-door long wheelbase. So you have the same wheelbase as your four-door, but then in a two-door configuration. Absolutely solid. No accidents, of course. It's a 290 2.9 liter 5-cylinder 5-speed overdrive transmission. We upgraded the engine to a turbo, so it's a turbo diesel right now, and we did that on the stock engine. It's a mild upgrade, so we don't do the 200 or 250 horsepower plus upgrades because it is not reliable. And we like reliable because these vehicles are 100% reliable, and we want to keep it that way. So the mild upgrade to the turbo diesel is from 92 horsepower, which is the 290, to approximately 130, and that is way enough for a vehicle this size, this weight. Absolutely gorgeous condition, completely stock, except of course for the pump that we had to replace to put in combination with the turbo. And it's also a mechanical pump, so the basics of the pump are the same. We just need a bit more fuel concerning the upgrade. So it's a non-electronics, no computer, no nothing on that engine, so you can basically run it even without batteries. Also gorgeous on the inside, perfect seats, of course your utilitarian dash, as said before, absolutely solid, gorgeous condition. Original headliner. We added the rear seats, they never have rear seats, and we also added the jump seats to make it a bit more user-friendly. We also added the professional ladder and the professional roof rack, and we also added the professional series snorkel to the vehicle. Some brush guards on your indicators and headlights. Because we did the turbo upgrade, and because it is a 5-speed with overdrive, we also changed the original tire size to the 235/85/16, or even to 255. We did the 255/75/16, I'm sorry, even bigger, but you can only do that when you upgrade to turbo diesel and when you have a 5-speed. So your normal 300 GD with a 4-speed, please don't even think about it, because you will ruin the engine. It's not powerful enough, absolutely not. So keep that in mind. So if you have any questions about this absolutely gorgeous two-door long wheelbase 1994, low mileage, stunning condition, running absolutely superb, then please do give me a call, 714-417-7320, or you can shoot me an email at info@g-mercedes.com. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all be safe, and see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye bye.